We will be learning how to create tables from quadratic functions. We're going to look at the steps and then we're going to look at some examples. So to create these tables, we want to first write the function so we can see exactly where product of terms exist using parentheses, and then we're going to substitute the x values in for those parentheses to get the values of f of x at those x values. So for example, we got f of x equal to x squared. So we're going to rewrite this as f of x equal to x squared. So x equal to -3, f of x is going to be equal to -3 squared, which is 9. X equal to -1, f of x is going to be equal to -1 squared, which is 1. X equal to 1, f of x is going to be equal to 1 squared, which is 1. X equal to 2, f of x is going to be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. X equal to 5, f of x is going to be equal to 5 squared, which is 25. So we have 9, 1, 1, 4, 25. Next one, so the first thing we're going to do is rewrite this function so we can see where multiplication happens. So we're going to have x squared plus 6. So x equal to -5, f of x equal to -5 squared plus 6, which is 25 plus 6, which is going to give us 31. X equal to -3, f of x equal to -3 squared plus 6, which is 9 plus 6, which is going to give us 15. X equal to 0, f of x is going to be equal to 0 squared plus 6, which is 0 plus 6. That gives us 6. X equal to 2, f of x equal to 2 squared plus 6, which is going to give us 4 plus 6, which is equal to 10. X equal to 4, f of x equal to 4 squared plus 6, which is going to give us 16 plus 6, which is 22. So now let's fill in. So for x equal to -5, we have 31. X equal to -3, we have 15. 0, we have 6. 2, we have 10. 4, we have 22. We have f of x equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So we have to rewrite the function so that we can see where the multiplication happens. So we have f of x equal to x squared minus 3 times x plus 2. So x equal to -4, f of x equal to -4 squared minus 3 times -4 plus 2. So this is going to be 16 plus 12 plus 2, which is going to give us 30. X equal to -2, we have f of x equal to -2 squared minus 3 times -2 plus 2, which is going to give us 4 plus 6 plus 2, which is 12. X equal to 0, f of x equal to 0 squared minus 3 times 0 plus 2, which is equal to 0 minus 0 plus 2, which is going to be 2. X equal to 1, f of x is equal to 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 2, which is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 2. This is going to give us minus 2 plus 2, 0. And then x equal to 4. F of x equal to 4 squared minus 3 times 4 plus 2, which is going to be 16 minus 12 plus 2. This is equal to 6. So we have 30 here, 12, 2, 0, 6. Final example, we're going to rewrite this function so that we can show the multiplication and replace that with parentheses. F of x is going to be equal to 2 multiplied by x squared plus 6 multiplied by x minus 5. So we have x equal to negative 4. F of x is going to be equal to 2 multiplied by negative 4 squared plus 6 multiplied by negative 4 minus 5, which is going to be 2 multiplied by 16 plus going to be minus 24 minus 5, which is going to be 32 minus 24 minus 5, which is going to be 3. X equal to negative 2. We have f of x equal to 2 negative 2 squared plus 6 multiplied by negative 2 minus 5. So this is going to give us 2 multiplied by 4 minus 12 minus 5. This is going to give us 8 minus 12 minus 5, which is negative 9. Now x equal to 0, f of x is going to be 2 multiplied by 0 squared plus 6 multiplied by 0 minus 5. So this is going to give us 0 plus 0 minus 5, which is going to be negative 5. X equal to 1. F of x equal to 2 multiplied by 1 squared plus 6 multiplied by 1 minus 5. This is going to be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 6 minus 5, which is 2 plus 6 minus 5, and this is going to give us 3. And then x equal to 3, f of x equal to 2 multiplied by 3 squared plus 6 multiplied by 3 minus 5. So this is 2 multiplied by 9 plus 18 minus 5, which is 18 plus 18 minus 5, which is going to give us 31. So now let's fill that in. So we have 3, negative 9, negative 5, 3, and 31.